And today we have no idea what we're going to do. Yeah, follow me in my. We're going to get horses. Alright. Comment down below if you have ever seen a horse. Comment down below. Yes, I'm getting it. Too slow. You're right. I was just about to say a bad word. No. Ellie, stand still. There we go. Don't do that now. Good night, sweetie. Hey, I'm sleeping on the couch too. I'm sleeping in the bed. Stop moving, please. Let's do it together. hmm You're welcome. You be looking fabulous. Where did you go? I see you. Yeah. Your horse looks like poop. You can't leave me, you know, right? Hello. Where did you go, you son of a poop? Where did you go, actually? Please, don't do this. Oh, there you are. Comment down below if we should do blogs about health health class. Yeah, yeah. Uh, no. Comment down below. We should do a blog about jumping in random pools. Alright. Wait. Hold on. Right. And have a good time. Bye.